Hey guys, welcome back to another hiking adventure. Today I'm at Olympic National Park in the Hoh Rain Forest, and I'm doing the 1.2 mile Spruce Trail to start off with. So the Hoh Rain Forest is probably one of the most popular spots in the park, if not the most popular. It's because it is a temperate rainforest, which we do not have very many of those in the United States. Yeah, this is definitely a beautiful place. I am not a fan of how crowded it is, but this is a popular place and you can totally see why. One thing that kind of shocks me about this place is there are actually bears living here. Bears do live here. I don't really picture a bear in my head when you see a place like this. I picture more like leprechauns or gnomes or even dinosaurs, but bears not so much. Well, this was absolutely phenomenal, and I'm glad I got to see this finally for the first time, and I'm very impressed. Only thing, like I said, the crowds are a little much, but there are portions where you feel like there's nobody around, which is great. One thing I would highly recommend is you come as early as possible, like as soon as it opens, so you can like totally avoid the crowds and stuff. You guys, I really want to thank you so much for joining me on this adventure today. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you have not done so already, I would totally love for you to subscribe to my channel so I could take you with me on future hiking adventures around Olympic National Park or other parts of the nation. Thanks again, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Till next time.